Hi. I heard I can get a tax refund on my purchases. I'm visiting from out of the country. Can you explain how that works?
Of course, if you're a non-resident visitor, you may be eligible for a tax refund on your purchases. You'll need to meet certain criteria and follow a few steps to claim it.
Great. What criteria do I need to meet?
Generally, you need to be a non-resident and have spent a minimum amount on eligible goods within a single day or at a single store. The minimum amount varies by store and country, so let me check the details for you.
Sure, thank you.
For our store, you need to spend at least $100 in a single day to qualify for a tax refund. Also, the goods must be for personal use and exported from the country within a specific time frame, usually within 90 days of purchase.
Okay, that makes sense. How do I go about claiming the refund?
After making your purchase, you need to ask for a tax refund form at the checkout. You'll need to fill out some details, including your passport information and address. Make sure to keep the original receipts as well.
Got it. What do I do with the form and receipts afterward?
When you leave the country, you'll need to present the completed tax refund form, your original receipts, and the purchased goods at the airport's tax refund counter. The customs officers will verify your documents and goods before processing the refund.
How is the refund paid out?
Refunds can be paid out in various ways, such as cash, credit card credit, or bank transfer. The method of refund may depend on the country or the tax refund service provider. You can choose your preferred method at the airport.
That sounds straightforward. Do I need to pay any fees for the refund?
There may be a small processing fee deducted from your refund amount, but this varies by tax refund service provider. It's best to check with the specific provider at the airport.
Okay, I'll keep that in mind. Thank you for explaining everything.
You're welcome. If you have any more questions or need help with your purchase, feel free to ask.
Will do. Thanks again.
Follow for more.